Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI.
I don't know about you, but my family loves to snuggle up and watch a good movie, and nothing brings on the cuddle storm like this adorable cat blanket. It's 48 by 60 inches, and that makes it the perfect size for us to use as a couch throw blanket. My favorite feature of this blanket is the super soft material it's made from. Both sides are shockingly soft, even after it came out of the washer and dryer a few times. It's double-sided and so warm and soft. It's definitely the blanket my family fights over on movie night, and sometimes my kids even sneak it off to cuddle in their beds at bedtime. Now let's talk about the adorable design of this blanket. Look how cute these kitties are. Their little faces make me smile. I just absolutely love how cute it is, all the different poses and their adorable little faces. Another thing I really love about it is even though it's double-sided, it's not too hot. It's kind of the perfect blanket for all weather. Even though the weather is hot where I live right now, I would still rather have this blanket on me than any other throw blanket that we have on our couch. So if you're looking for the perfect blanket as a gift for a loved one or a great snuggle blanket for your family to fight over on movie night, look no further.
And that's my point of view.